Hold on tight because right here, right now on November 18th, 2025, the action cam apocalypse just hit. GoPro's Max 2 didn't just leak. It exploded across every corner of the internet like a tidal wave crashing on your favorite surf spot. And this 360-degree monster is about to make your dusty old Max from 2019 look like a flip phone in a smartphone world. Full prototypes, internal specs, pricing whispers, even beta footage timestamps. All out in the wild from that shady Chinese marketplace slip-up and GoPro's own teaser fumble. If you bail on this video halfway, you'll forever kick yourself for missing the one insane upgrade that turns solo vlogs into Hollywood-level immersive epics. Don't move. We're diving deep, and trust me, by the end, you'll be pre-ordering too. First things first, the name. It's straight up GoPro Max 2, no fancy sublabels, but insiders are calling it the 360 Slayer in those leaked Slack chats. And why? Because this thing isn't playing catch-up to DJI's Osmo 360 or Insta360's X5. It's here to bury them. Picture this. The body keeps that iconic rugged shell but shrinks 20% smaller, weighing in at just 140 grams, with the same folding fingers mount system that snaps onto every helmet, board, or bike rig you've got without a single adapter. Waterproof to 16 meters out of the box, no housing needed for most dives, and it's got this sleek matte black finish with orange accents that scream adventure porn. But the real jaw-dropper? The prototype leaks show massive internal heat sinks. Yeah, plural, hinting at a GP3 chip that's overclocked to handle heat like a Desert Pro. No more thermal shutdowns mid-ride. This bad boy sustains 4K at 120 frames per second for hours. Now, the lenses, oh man, this is where GoPro flipped the script. Dual 1/1.3-inch sensors, each packing 16 MP stills. But here's the bomb, replaceable lenses. That's right, modular glass that you can swap for ultra-wide fisheye add-ons or macro close-ups without tools. Just a twist-lock mechanism straight out of their Hero 13 playbook. Leaked CAD files confirm it. Pop the caps, click in a new lens set, and boom. Your Max 2 morphs from epic surf orbiter to tiny planet time-lapse machine in seconds. No more glued-in fisheyes that crack on impact. These are Gorilla Glass 6 protected, drop-proof from 2 meters and auto-calibrating via the app, so stitching errors? Ancient history. Video specs. Strap in, because this is the part that will have Insta360 owners rage selling on eBay tonight. 8K 360-degree video at 30 frames per second. Buttery 5.7K at 60 frames per second for that slow-mo magic. And get this. 4K single-lens mode at 120 frames per second with zero crop factor. HyperSmooth 7.0 stabilization, upgraded from the Max's ancient 2.0, with AI-powered horizon lock that keeps your footage level even if you're barrel rolling down a mountain bike trail at 50 miles per hour. Low light? Night owls rejoice. The GP3 chip cranks ISO up to 6,400 with noise reduction that makes candlelit campfires look like pro studio shoots. And audio. 6 mics with wind reduction that rivals a shotgun, plus optional Bluetooth lav integration for crystal clear commentary while you shred waves or peaks. Beta testers in the leaks are raving about invisible stitching. Reframe your 360 clips in the quick app to third-person chases or first-person dives, all exported in 8K HDR with zero artifacts. Imagine capturing a full 360 degrees sunset surf session, reframing it into a drone-like follow-cam edit that goes viral on TikTok overnight. That's not